Good morning. Thank you very much. For those of you who don't know us, the ClairMail solution allows financial institutions to provide comprehensive, world-class mobile banking to their customers. That means everything from just simply sending the word balance or even just the letter B and a text message to your financial institution and getting back a set of balances on your accounts. It's possibly the easiest, cheapest, and most ubiquitous way of any sort of financial interaction, all the way up to smartphone applications that really do put mobile banking or all your finances in the palm of your hand. So the first thing that we're going to look at here on the table is the ClairMail Smart Client application for the iPhone. At the touch, as you log in, you see all your accounts, you see all the details you would want to do. You click on any of those accounts, and you get a scrollable list of transactions to give you what's going on. You can do transfer funds between accounts to make up balances between them. You can do payments, either payments to billers to pay your bills, or P2P for person-to-person payments so you can pay other people. And the newest feature we have here is the capability to do RDC, remote deposit capture, whereby we integrate with the phone on the device so that consumers can take pictures of their checks and deposit them into their account without having to visit the branch or the ATM. So comprehensive financial management in the palm of your hand. But that's really just the beginning. That's really just given us online or web-based banking on the phone. The real power of mobile goes a little further. The real power of mobile is the fact that it's an always-on, in your pocket, in your hand, on the table, by your bed, at the store, in the movie theater, ever-present, interactive communication channel with the customer. It opens a whole new range of possibilities, and what we're going to show on that here is the two key problems in the industry. One is fraud management, and one is cross-sell, upsell marketing. So what we're going to do here is we're going to trigger a potentially suspicious transaction at the back end from the laptop, and then that appears as a notification to the consumer at the front end. The consumer goes to see more details. That application you just saw is started up, but we go straight to the point of action where the consumer can see more details about that transaction and can then either approve or reject it. So when we get to the page, the consumer can, if they reject the transaction, what will happen is they'll go an alternative workflow where maybe we spark a call on the call center to talk to the consumer to work out why the transaction is not valid. But if we click approve here, what we do is we get through to a screen that tells the user that everything's okay and we're good with the transaction. But because things are going smoothly here, this is a great opportunity for us to do some in-band marketing, some real-time, relevant, context-sensitive marketing. Network's not doing us any favors here. So we click on that, and we get more details of our fraud protection capability. So it's dynamic marketing to the consumer in the context of something that they're seeing, that they're wanting to understand about, and a problem they're having in the moment. This will take us, although we're not going to get time for it, this is going to take us to a page where you see more details about the service, and then also a video marketing, so multimedia marketing, that allows you inside the application to really engage your consumer. From there, you're then able to enroll in the program on the device, which means that you can then a relevant, real-time, targeted offer with multimedia to a consumer, and it's much more likely they're going to accept that than if you send them a piece of mail saying, how would you like to enroll in our fraud program? So apologies that bit hasn't worked. But it's such a powerful capability that we don't just want to deliver it, and trust me, we do deliver it, over the smartphone. We also want to deliver it over SMS. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to another user on the same system. And that user is then we're going to trigger another suspicious transaction. But this time we're going to do the same workflow all over again using using SMS. We've triggered another transaction here. So what happens is that now through an SMS message, the consumer is going to get the same thing they got on the smartphone, which is the notification saying, did you do or did you not do this transaction, with the capability to either approve or reject that. So here we are. There's the charge that's come through over SMS, and now we can reply to be able to say yes, that was us. And again, as it was in the case of the smart client, we can get a message back that tells the user that everything is okay. But then when that message comes back, the user is then able to go one step further, because we'll offer him the same marketing message with the same video that you should have seen on the smart client, but this time delivered over the SMS channel. So when this comes back, So now we can say, so return the word protect in order to be able to see more about our fraud protection service. So what this will do in partnership with one of the companies we're working with, Mogreet, which helps us deliver multimedia messages, we can go back and that same video comes down and will be present on the feature phone. So whether it's a smartphone or a feature phone, we can get that same in-context, in-band marketing that allows the institutions to market to the consumers in such a way that it's relevant to what they're doing, it's engaging, and you can close it inside the channel. So not only is it cheap and easy to do because you don't have to go to any other channel, but it's much more likely to be accepted by the consumer because it's where they are and what they're thinking at that point in time. So taking mobile banking, adding on the capability to have these multi-stage alerts, this business process orchestration at the back end, and the ability, so there's the video there that you should have seen on the smartphone, and the ability to do in-band marketing means that we take this interactive channel to a new level. If anybody wants to see this video for themselves, given you didn't really get a chance to see it on the smartphone, then you can text the word protect to the short code 21534, and you should get that delivered to your phone. Otherwise, come to see us at the back at the booth, and we'll explain more and maybe repeat the demo that didn't work up here. Thank you very much.